So now let us update our upload default settings. Now what are upload default settings? Basically, whenever you upload any video on YouTube, there are certain fields which you have to update every time, right? So if you have something which you have to update in every video, you can just put it under defaults. That is, it will reflect as a parameter pre-selected, pre-updated for every video that you upload. So suppose in title, if there is anything, any term or any phrase which you want to make it as a part of every title of the video, please update over here. Now there is nothing which is common for every title of my video, so I am keeping it as blank. But if your video is something which is kind of a series, and all the titles will have that phrase, do keep it as a part of your upload default for title. Now for description, if anything is there which is to be updated as a part of every video description, please incorporate it. Like I have captured the affiliate marketing links for video equipments, the attributions part, my other channels and social media links, because I want them to be part of my each video's description. This will appear by default. I don't have to include it in every video. If you see my channel, you can see every video description, all the details which I showed are by default there, right? So I don't have to update this every time. I just update the relevant information for that particular video, and the rest is a part of upload default, which is over here. Visibility public by default, because I want all the videos which I'm uploading to go public. If you are not sure, then you can select as required, unlisted, private, and public. Tags are something which I want to include in each of my video, and hence these four, that is my channel name. My channel is primarily for how to run a YouTube channel, the nitty-gritties of it, right? So 3-4 tags I have kept as default. That is, it will appear by default in every video's upload features, right? So do update this, because this will save a lot of time for every video you upload. You don't have to update this for every video, right? Once you do it over here. Now moving to advanced settings. Now this is like some features, right? Again, these are part where you have to update this for each video that you upload, right? So if you select by default these features, it will save your time every time you upload a video. Now license is standard YouTube license and Creative Commons. The key difference, if you see standard YouTube license and creative, is in Creative Commons attribution you are allowing others to use your video to recreate their videos, right? In standard YouTube license, no one else can use your video, but in Creative Commons you are basically allowing other creators to use your content. So you can by default select likewise whatever you want, or you can select it every time you do. Category, my video is all about education, so I will select education over here. So that means I don't have to select this every time I upload a video. It will be by default set as education. Automatic chapters. Now this feature is not like foolproof, but you can keep it selected over here, wherein all the key moments and the video will be divided into chapters by YouTube itself. You can do it on your own also, but if you select this, YouTube will try to create automatic chapters wherever it is able to do so, right? My experience is it does not do for every video. One in maybe 100 is as per my experience for my other channel, right? Now, moving on to language and caption certification. Video language, since I am making videos in English, I will select it English over here. Title and description language is again English for me. So now these defaults are basically I want to appear for every video I upload. Captions, I am keeping it as none since I am uploading from India. Automatic dubbing, you can keep it enabled, so that there are, I guess, 12 languages for which auto dubbing happens right now. So I'm allowing it so that if anyone who wants to view the same video because it is relevant for them, but they are not able to understand it because the language is different, this will help them access this video in their regional or local language, which are supported as on day by YouTube, right? You can learn more from over here by clicking on this. You can see there are languages which are allowed and supported by English as on day. In this, it can get auto dubbed and the viewer, so this will help you get more reach for your videos primarily. The next is comments. So comments, do you want to allow comments on your video, on or off? I am keeping it as on. Moderation, basic. So you can see there are types wherein basic is hold potentially inappropriate comments. If anyone is abusing, putting spam links, you can have a better hold on this. You can also keep as none, don't hold any comments, because that is also traction for your video. And show how many viewers like this video. If you unselect it, it will basically remove all the likes count which appear in front of the video. Now once you are done with all this, you can click on save, and these settings will get saved. And now the upload defaults will appear for each video that you upload on YouTube channel. If this has been useful, please do like, follow and subscribe to the channel. Do drop in comments what all queries and roadblocks you are facing in your YouTube journey, and I will try to make at least a post or a video to help you solve those queries. Thank you.